Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Horoscope for the day, July 6, Saturday. When we think of ourselves and we think for our safety, security, and protection, this is godly. But when you thought of yourself being selfish, only for your own good, that is ungodly. Do what was or what is required of you. Ang horoscope po natin sa araw ng Sabado, 6 ng Hulyo, 2024, may kinalaman sa self-preservation o yung ililigtas mo, yung sarili mo. Like survival of the fittest. Kailangan mo unahin muna yung sarili. Pero kung meron mang ibang tao na nangangailangan ng iyong atensyon o tulong, kailangan mo rin silang tulungan. Maraming hingingin ng tulong sa'yo. Piliin mo kung sino dapat mong tulungan.